that was weird. Whoa.
Hey there. Good boy.
I'm a girl.
Up! See that?
Can I sit down now?
You're up next.
Can I sit down now? Why'd you show me that pimple on your butt?
That wasn't me.
Don't look at me. It was not me.
I'm back with you.